Hey guys, I'm here to share this wonderful software with you guys called Video Maker FX. If you ever have to make a video presentation, whether it's a slideshow, you want to create an animation video, or any type of video, you know, you want to make, this is the tool for you. It's not complicated at all compared to the other products out there on the market. It's loaded with tons of features that help you create professional looking videos in a short space of time. This is their website here. They've been around for a few years now, and I'm surprised that it's not as popular as those other products out there claiming um, to make help you make uh, great videos. You know, I came across this product a few months ago. I had to create a few slideshow presentations for my job, and I never regret making this decision. I was a bit skeptical at first because everybody is out there on the internet advertising their products, and within those advertisements, they're saying all kind of different things to get you excited. And when you actually get a product, it's not what was advertised. And I thought this was another one, but I was desperate. I gave it a go, and it just blew me right away. This is their website here, and a lot of people is on the site here giving their testimonials about the product, and they share the same feedback that I did, and it's a great product, man. It's a great product. It's affordable and it's straightforward. You don't need no kind of background and technical background at all. It's simple. It's for a beginner. It's for an expert. Whatever you look at yourself at, as. But give it a go. I'm gonna leave the link down below in the description. Give it a try. I know there's someone out there that was that is that that is or was just like me a few months ago, in need of making a video, whether it's for personal use or it's for your job, or you want to make a video review and you have no clue where to start. Trust me, give this software a shot. You won't regret it. Like I said, the link is below. Click on it and give this amazing app, amazing product, a chance. And you can let me know how it all went. Thank you for watching my video, and good luck to you making some fabulous videos.